Good morning. Room service. I'm Miko Samiteo. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order a meal for breakfast.
Oh, sure. Can I get your name in room? Number room.
I am Lloyd Lockton and my room is 305.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lockton. Can I get your order, sir?
I would like to have drink water, 3 pieces of bread with butter and egg.
For your bread or is sir? Your order for fresh. Water, 3 pieces of bread with butter and egg, and 2 white bread. And thank you very much, chef. Sir, fresh water and our complimentary 3 pieces bread. Where is your order, sir? Order water, 3 bread with butter and egg, and white bread. How is everything tasting, sir? Can I get you anything else? Or more water or bread?
More water, please. Chocolate lava cake, please.
We have a delicious chocolate lava cake and fruit tart of dessert. Would you like to try one, sir?
I try it.
Where's your check? Here's your check. I take care of that for you whenever you're ready. Thank you for dining with us. Please come back soon. Have a great evening, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.